Kwan jopuonjre maromo 34,859 ochako penjgi mar klas 12 e sentas mag penj moingo 300 e kaunti ma Homa Bay okinyi ma kawuono. Kuom kwan ero, jopuonjre manyiri gin 16,716 ka mago mag chuo gin 10,128 e skunde mag piny owacho, ka e skunde mag ji giwegi ni kod jopuonjre 956. Direkta mar somo e sub-kaunti ma Homa Bay, Ziada Osano, gi jalup komishona e sub-kaunti no manotelo e chenro mar yawo konteina mag penj e log tich mar kaunti no ma Homa Bay ne okoni ikruok makare oseketi ne penj no.
The exams with no incident this morning. We expect that as they get to the schools, everything will work well. We have been able to register and prepare through the year to the culmination of today as they begin, a total number of 3,993 candidates who are sitting their KCSE exams beginning today. And we expect that all will be well with them. We actually want to wish them success even as they leave the container to their various centers. Funds require that all the funds for all the officers that are undertaking the examinations be put under lock and key, and the key is supposed to be kept with the supervisor. We expect that all of us who are in the exercise will uphold that.
In the sub-county, we were able to deploy 200 invigilators and 38 supervisors with 31 center managers. And as my colleague has said, we expect that the center managers are going to do a credible job. We have already briefed them today in the morning.